Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasyapi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Haba Buddin halor kakam khayiman Harilum Jantia, ka Special Investigation Team, balathong dakat nat Polet jangka West Gentiles District. Kalapan tep bakalay okam sakat arngot ki weipat ki breu ki badan kti ban syanglok jubor ki kena kantai ki badang hapok kakat pras nam karta. Na pedang kini ki khat arngot ki Polet ki layok kam ru yo way Polet officer ubala syong that nakakam bat ki sangut ki syakri sarkar ki badan kti hakan ki kam bian. Henry ya ka kerteng jongki pat am syam lala ban penpau perthai. Namar ba ka jing toket kadang ya cakman. Ya kani layathu the Superintendent of Police jangka West Gentiles District uba la ka dor CM habaya kren bat ka Batisi TV ha ka pratrek mentau naitung arajar ka kendai. Uba layathu ru ba yakini ki khat arngon ki bala syakam lapangat apo ka kendon an le be ijat ki kena bala tip kumka Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012. Hadu menta ke Special Investigation Team balathong dak nat Polet jangka West Gentiles kalayo kem hadu arpusangon ki beran kti ban pengop iki kena kan thai hakikam auria kentop iki kan thai ki balahe karta.
It's been 1 month now, more than a month, and so far we have questioned so many people, maybe more than 50 people. We have arrested 24 till date, and since the case is still under investigation and it will take some more time to unearth more, so to say, more people that is involved in the case. So I cannot reveal much on the investigation of the case. Maybe within a few months' time we are going to file FF for some of the accused. The case might take more than a year, but the SIT team will try their level best to file the FF within a short period of time, maybe within 3 months, 4 months time, and the rest we will give us a supplementary FF in the coming days.